What's up world, welcome back to my channel. Vladi B here with another video. What we're going to talk about today is really interesting. The crypto market is still kind of on the low side, but if you're looking at the overall trend, overall chart, you will notice that it is still at its all-time highs. Cryptocurrency has never been as high as it is today. Even if it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, even if it went down from its all-time high, it's still higher than it's ever been in any other given year. That just tells us how many more people joined the cryptocurrency world and how many more people have invested, how much more money has been invested in total. Now, cryptocurrencies is a great opportunity, but it's still not at its peak. They're saying that Bitcoin is still going to go up to 200,000, maybe 500,000, maybe even 1,000,000. We never know, but it's worth a chance because, like Raoul Pal says, if you even put down 5% of your net worth, whatever you have, whether it's $1,000 or $10,000 would be 5%, put it in and see what happens to it. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, not a month from now, but a year from now, 2 years from now, and definitely 5 years and more from now, you will see an exponential growth in your investment, in your net worth. Because $1,000 today invested, for example, into Ethereum, which will in the future be worth $20,000, well, I mean, that's 20x right there. No money in the bank, no saving account out there in the world, in the whole world, in any country in the world, will give you such a great return on your investment. Nowhere will you find that. So I'm of course not a financial advisor, but I will definitely suggest that you need to get your foot in the door of the cryptocurrency if you haven't already. And since you're watching this video, most likely you already are in it. So you might ask, what do I invest into? What is going to be the next altcoin that's going to go to the moon? Well, in the previous video I shared with you the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu token is one of the most promising tokens going around right now, the meme tokens. And then there's of course a lot of the gaming stuff that's going on. There's a lot of gaming tokens out there, like UFO gaming, Gala. Even look at Sandbox. The Sandbox has its own token, Sand, and that's an extremely promising token as well. Today's Sand is worth about $5 a token. What if in a few months from now, or even a couple years from now, it's worth $100? Wouldn't it hurt to invest a few $100s, maybe a couple $1,000s even, into Sand today at $5 and then see it grow to $100? That's almost the same as buying that Microsoft share in the stock market back in the day when it first came out, or Google or Apple or any one of those, even Tesla. It's just the same thing. This is the next opportunity. And look at it from an exponential growth point of view, because this is the most important principle to understand, the exponential growth of it. Today, 3% of the world is using cryptocurrency or trading cryptocurrency. In 2 years from now, 10% of the world population is going to be trading it. How many more trillions of dollars is that going to be? Imagine that 3%, only 3% is already $2 trillion. When it hits 10%, it's going to be $5 trillion, $6 trillion. That's huge, a lot of money. And if you are investing today, you're early. You're getting things at a much better deal than people in a year from now will be able to get. Doesn't matter what you're getting, as long as you're not getting the shady things. There's a lot of shady stuff out there. I'm sure a lot of you heard of the Squid Game, and that was just a disaster, and it will happen. More of those kind of things will happen. So you have to kind of use a little bit of logic and common sense not to get yourself into schemes like this, but projects which are promising. Projects where there is a strong community behind those projects, like Shiba, like Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin made millionaires, and it's just a meme token that had no utility, but now look at it now. Now the difference between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is that Doge has a much lesser supply, total supply, which makes its value higher. But Shiba is burning their tokens too, so eventually, a few years from now, the supply will be lower, and no matter what, the price will go higher. We don't know how high it's gonna go, but if it goes up to a cent and you bought it today when it's worth a fraction of a cent, you're still gonna see a great return in your investment. And that's the most important thing to understand. So anything legitimate, any decent project that you invest into today will bring good results, will make you profitable. Remember that a lot of it is gamble, But at the same time, a lot of it is analytics. So if you're looking at a project that's good and promising, invest a little bit into it and see what happens to it, see it grow, and move things around as you balance your portfolio. Don't hold only one thing. If you have only 2,000 to invest and you really believe in one token or one coin, by all means put it in there. But it's a much better strategy to split it, maybe put the majority, put 50% of that towards that one token you believe in, but the rest of the money, maybe it makes sense to put in something else, something that is also promising, but just put a little bit less into it. But at least you're diversifying. So now if that project goes to the moon, you're good, and if this project goes to the moon, you didn't miss out. But if you put everything you have into one basket, just one basket, you don't give yourself much chances. And that is the importance of diversifying your portfolio. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe for more content. I will be posting more about cryptocurrency. This is a hot topic today, and we will see you in the next video.